What is up, YouTube? So today I want to unbox the OnePlus 13, and it is the 12GB RAM model, 256GB internal storage, Black Eclipse edition, and this phone comes with the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. So let's just do a quick little unboxing here. So I'm just going to open it up here. So yes, some standard things in here. So you get the charging cable. I don't think you get the bigger adapter for the wall. There we go. Let's take this one off. So this is how it looks like. And a big difference that this phone has compared to the OnePlus 12 is that this one has flat edges, which is something that you do not get on the OnePlus 12. Let's start up.